Imagine entire civilizations, thousands strong, simply vanishing without a trace. For centuries, these historical disappearances have baffled experts. But what if modern science held the key to unlocking their secrets? Prepare to see history through a forensic lens, as we apply 21st century techniques to solve some of humanity's oldest cold cases. Take the Maya, for example. Their magnificent cities in Central America were mysteriously abandoned around 900 AD for years. Theories ranged from alien abduction to full-scale warfare. But today, paleoclimatologists are analyzing ancient sediment cores from Lake. What they found is incredible evidence of a prolonged, severe drought that crippled the Mayan agricultural system. By studying pollen counts and chemical isotopes in the soil, scientists can literally map the decline of rainfall year by year, showing us how an environmental catastrophe likely led to social collapse. It wasn't a sudden event, but a slow, agonizing decline driven by climate change. Then there's the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's first urban cultures, which disappeared around 1900 BCE. They had advanced cities like Mohenjo-daro with sophisticated plumbing. Yet we can't even decipher their writing. So how do we know what happened? Geneticists are now analyzing ancient DNA from skeletal remains found in the region. These DNA studies are rewriting history. They suggest not a massive invasion or a single cataclysm, but a gradual shift in population. People began moving away from the great cities, likely following the changing monsoon patterns that altered the rivers they depended on. It was a mass migration, not a mysterious vanishment. And what about the settlers of Roanoke Island, the famous lost colony? Their fate has been a ghost story for over 400 years. But modern archaeology, combined with tree ring data, or dendrochronology, paints a new picture. Tree rings from that exact time period show evidence of the worst drought in 800 years, hitting the very moment the colonists arrived. This would have made farming nearly impossible, creating intense conflict with local tribes for scarce resources. The colonists likely didn't just vanish. They probably broke into smaller groups and tried to integrate with different native communities to survive, their identities slowly fading into the historical background. From DNA analysis to climate modeling and satellite imagery, these modern tools are turning historical speculation into scientific fact. The past isn't just a collection of stories. It's a series of puzzles waiting for the right tools to solve them. These ancient peoples didn't just disappear, they adapted, moved, and changed, leaving behind subtle clues that we are only now able to read. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more historical mysteries solved by science.